Hello, Moneymaker. Do you want to make serious money by doing the least amount of work through short videos? The TikTok creativity program and YouTube Shorts are literally breaking the internet. People are making over $10,000 every month. The best part is this niche is not competitive, and most people don't even know how to create videos in this niche. Yes, you heard it right. Since many people don't even know how to create such videos, I would suggest to act now and work hard on this niche. Take a look at this page. Almost everyone has seen such videos, and people think that these chat story videos are real, but that is not true. They are created with the help of AI or through screenshots. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you each and every part of video creation process. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So there are several sub-niches that you can work on under fake text stories. So the first one is approaching a girl story, where you will create a chat story on how to approach a girl on text. Second one is cheating stories, where you create a chat story on how your partner cheated on you. Third one is rude boss story, like how toxic your boss is and how they treat you. Fourth one is conversation between you and your friend on a controversial topic. You can pick the sub-niche that you like, but you need to make sure that the stories are interesting and people should watch them till the end to gain good average view duration. Now let me show the video creation part in a few steps. Firstly, we need to create chat story conversation for our video. So I checked all the videos and realized that this is a made-up story which shows something really controversial, and people are eagerly commenting or discussing it in the comment section. Same as we also need to create this type of fake conversation to create a viral video for our channel. So let's start the process of writing chat stories. If you are good at creating your own story chat, that's well and good, otherwise you can take help of AI. Open ChatGPT and ask to create an intense conversation between a girl and her boyfriend. This conversation is happening through text message. It should be in simple language and natural. Don't use complex words. This story should be about a boy cheating with his girlfriend. Make it more likely they are fighting. This way, you have to give all the details in your prompt about the topic, situation, and type of conversation you want. Alright, so here ChatGPT provides a conversation between a girl and her boyfriend. I suggest you don't use these AI stories as it is. You have to make your stories more interesting. So I would suggest looking at other channel videos that have already gone viral and try to make similar kinds of stories. If you need more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and comment down below, and I will reply you with amazing prompts for script writing for free. Or you can also find many chat stories on Pinterest also. Here you will find many chat stories about relationships, funny conversations between two friends, or many more. This way, you don't need to rely on ChatGPT only. Here is my script which I created for my reference video. This is the conversation between a girl and her boyfriend. Now we have our story. Let's jump to video creation, and for this I will show you two methods. Let's start with the first method. First, go to oneclick.ai. This tool has a lot of options when it comes to video creation, like Reddit stories, fake text videos, split screen, etc. And the best thing about this tool is that you can create a complete video with just a few clicks. Alright, since we want to generate a chat story video, we will select this option and continue further. Once you sign in, you will get one free token to create your first video. So I would suggest you to try it. In the next step, we have to select the background for our video. There are so many options there, you can choose any of these. Usually in this type of video, they are using gameplay background, so I will go with the Minecraft gameplay background. After choosing the background, click on Next. Then we have to set up the conversation. First, select the phone time, then write an operator of your choice. After that, you can also add an image of the sender for the profile icon on text messaging app. Then here we have to write a recipient name, which means the name of the message sender. This tool automatically adds voiceover into your video, so you do not have to add generate from another tool and add it manually. That's amazing, right? So here you can select the voices for receiver and sender also. I will select Sarah's voice as a girlfriend and Adam's voice as a boyfriend. This tool has one of the best realistic AI voices, and the best part is none of them sound robotic. Alright, now you have to select template style. There are three options. If I select Instagram, it will look like this. And if I select Tinder, it will look like this. So you can use whichever you like. I will go with iMessage. Now here you will find two options to add a message. Let's go back to the Google Docs and see who started the conversation first. So as per the script, boy starts the conversation. So let's copy the message and paste it here. By this way, let's add two other messages. Similarly, add a sender message also, and complete the whole conversation into this tool. When you are done with adding messages, click Next and wait for some time. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to generate the video, and they will email us once it is ready. So in the meantime, I will show the second method. But remember, the first option is very easy and less time-consuming, but you would need to invest some money in it to automate the process. And if you are serious about this niche, then you should really consider this option. All right, let's start our second method. Firstly, you have to find the gameplay footage for the background. For this, open YouTube and search for the Minecraft no copyright video. So here you will find many videos. Choose one of these and copy the video link. Then open any YouTube video downloader and paste the video link and download the video. After that, we have to manually create a fake message screenshot in this tool. Click on SMS and choose one of these options. I will go with an iPhone. Now here you have to add some details such as timing, battery percentage, operator. You can also add a profile picture into this. After that, add name, date and time, and enter the message in this box. To send the message, you have to select person 2, and to receive the message, select person 1. This way, add all the messages and download the image. The whole conversation is not going to fit in the one screenshot, so you have to create one by one and download them. It's just for an example, so I downloaded one image from here. All right, now we have to generate voiceover for this. You can use any AI tool. I will go with 11 Labs. Copy all the dialogue of the girl message and generate the voiceover track. Then copy all the dialogue of the boy message and generate voiceover track. All right, now we have to merge all of this. For this, you can use any editing software. I will go with the free CapCut desktop app. Instead of CapCut, you can also use Wondershare Filmora. Wait, I promise that creating this type of video requires lots of efforts and time. Therefore, I'm just asking for a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. It will absolutely not cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Now import both voiceover track, all the messages screenshot which you created, and gameplay video. Now at first, set the background video in a 9:16 ratio. Then add the screenshot in the correct order into the timeline. As I said before, just to show you the process, I only generated one screenshot, but you have to add all the screenshots into the timeline. Now click on the image and crop the image for the first text. Also add voiceover track into the timeline so you can sync message image with audio track. Now, next, and then add the image where another 2 messages are reflected, and this way you need to do it manually with all the screenshots. After that, you can also add some sound effects such as notification sound to create your video more engaging. Just like that. This way you have to edit this whole video into a CapCut. This option is a lot time-consuming as we will do all the work manually. From script to voiceover to generate chat stories, we will need to do all work manually. You also need to pay for 11 Labs separately for a voiceover. Now let's go back to the one-click and download the video. Before I show you my reference video, I just wanted to tell you that you can upload this video on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts as well. There are pages on each social media platform who are working on this niche. So by this way you earn from so many platforms as well. Since you have watched our video till the end, and if you want to support us, you can click on Join button to become our member and avail exclusive member benefits. Now let's have a look to our video.
Hey, Abby. Baby. Oh, dear Lord.
Who's Abby?
Ava, please, it was autocorrect. This is our 3rd time having this conversation. Haven't you learned I'm not cheating on you with Abby?
Well, if it happens so often, maybe you are. Are you cheating on me with Abby because I'm fat? Am I not pretty enough for you?
No, Ava, you are beautiful and perfect.
If you want to be forgiven, you have to pass this test.
Okay, what is it, baby?
1, would you still love me as a worm?
Yes, of course I would.
Liar.
What? What's the point of asking me the question if I'm just wrong?
Next, would you still love me if I never existed?
How can I love you if there's nothing to exist?
Wow, how could you? You should just know that in an alternate universe, you have the best, hottest, and most amazing girlfriend ever. AKA me.
You're right.
Next, a girl walks up behind you and hugs you and asks for your number. What do you do?
Elbow her like I'm Prime John Jones. Eoosh, eoosh, eoosh. 12 to 6 elbows. Referee has to pull me off her. And knew!
That girl was me.
Lord save me for what's about to happen. If I knew it was you, I wouldn't have done that.
Next question.
No, my turn. You're at home in bed, chilling, and get a text. It's from me. It says we're done. How do you react?
I don't know. Probably cry and never get out of bed. Not be able to live my life without you.
Well, boo-hoo, get some fucking tissues. We're done.